Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're trying something different. We're trying a different Mexican restaurant that we heard about. They barbecue or roast their chicken, which is called Pollo Asada. So they cook these chickens on the grill. I'll put a clip in the video so you can see it. But they put these chickens on the grill and cook them for 2 hours, just roasting on low. And they smell delicious. Like season them, very flavorful. So we just ordered that, and we got some chips and salsa. We got this bean salsa. Look at that. I don't want to spill it. So it's like refried beans, smashed beans, but they have a salsa in them too. So it's really good. Got a nice cool Pepsi. Well, stay tuned. All right, so we got our food, rice and beans. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Roasted chicken. Got the jalapenos, roasted onions. And it smells amazing too. And of course, corn tortillas with some hot salsa. So I'm gonna dig in here because I'm starving. Oh, we need some salt. Look at how tender that is, just falling right off the bone. We got here a little early, so this chicken is very fresh. This stuff looks like it's guacamole based salsa. It's got some, I don't know if it's serranos. I think it's serranos in there, B. That's what makes it put an extra kick.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, can we get some salt too?
Some salt, yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Mmm.
Here is this.
Thank you.
How's everything tasting? Good?
Really
Good.
good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So this is basically a whole chicken cut up. Got the drumstick. Look at the salt shaker. Shake it like a salt shaker. Shake it like a salt shaker. You want to try some of this green sauce, B?
Yeah, a little bit.
That sauce is actually pretty good too. It's very flavorful. So how we found this spot is our daughter brought some food home from work last night, and it was this same plate So we're like, this was so fire. We had to find out where it's at. So we came here today because we ate a little bit, and it just left us craving some more chicken. So here we are. Some onions, big old onion.
You'll have to show what it's called.
The what?
You'll have to show what it's called.
Yeah. The name of this place is a little long to pronounce in Spanish, so I'll show you guys later. Here's the breast. Look how juicy that is, guys. I don't know if you can. I think it's falling apart. So tender. Falling apart. Everything's here is homemade. They got a great menu of stuff. They have caldos. They have all kinds of stuff. What's that? The shrimp and the seafood.
Oh, the camarón. El caldo de camarón.
Mm-hmm.
They have aguachiles, I think. They have al carbón, barbacoa, asada. They even have birria.
Yeah, you can come and pick up some carne
Yeah, they sell it by the pound.
just by the pound if you want. Go home, get some tortillas, make your own tacos at home. Birria, chicken, asado, asada.
This is better than always wanting King Super's chicken.
Mm-hmm. You guys ready for some football tonight? Got my team, the Broncos, playing the Dallas Cowboys tonight. No, there's a lot of Cowboy fans around, but I'm a Bronco fan through and through. think we only got a couple more weeks till the season starts. We were watching my son's scrimmage yesterday. It was at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it was like 90, 93, 92 degrees. I know for some of you guys that's not hot, but over here it's hot. And when you're on that artificial turf, whew, it reflects off of that turf like kind of like snow. That turf's always like 10 degrees hotter. But it was fun. It was exciting to watch the kids. I know they start, high school starts, what, in a couple weeks too?
End of August. August 27th is their first game.
So they start pretty soon. Well, those football parents enduring that heat, waiting on the sideline, sitting in the stands. I feel you. Put some more chicken in there.
I like the way it's cut up. Because usually I get roast out. Is your jalapeno hot?
Last night I had this jalapeno that was straight fire. This one's not that hot.
Mine kind of is.
Yours is hot?
I don't know if it's like the one like last night. It's up there.
Guys, this place is really nice. They got a big old olla of chicharrones. I'll try to show you guys. I'll put another clip of the video in here so you can see. But they got this big old pan full of chicharrones just boiling and boiling, and the sauce and spices. Eventually, they let that go for a few hours, huh?
It's carnita.
Or carnitas. So that again is that marinated pork that's just gonna be ready to fall apart. It's getting kind of messy. I have to use my hands a lot. So. You getting full ready?
Yeah, you?
here, over here.
It's
Yeah,
good,
you guys
thank
need
you.
anything?
No, I think we're good.
We're good. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah, I'll put the address for this place. If you're here local in Denver, you definitely got to stop by. You definitely got to stop by and show this place some love. Authentic, homemade, great variety in the menu. That bee likes you, bro. Yeah, I do a YouTube channel, mukbang. So just trying different spots and eating and just reviewing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. What else did you guys get? Did you get some? Yeah. Yeah, that's that big sandwich with a bunch of bread, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm getting full, guys. This might be my last taco here. Are you full?
Mm-hmm. The sauces are bomb.
Hot sauce?
Those are good. Really good.
Did you? Oh, you didn't even try the green. Let me try that one. Is that green and red, or which one did you try?
I tried the red one, but this green one might be
Let me try this red salsa on the
a little
last.
spicy. It looks like it's like chili árbol.
It probably is.
And this one. Ooh. That one smells good.
That's a green one. T&T Living. Yeah, check it out, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Me too. You gotta try this barbecue chicken next time, bro. Right off the grill, man. Fire.
I feel bad that I used all these
Napkins? Made a mess all over. I think they have flan in there.
Yeah, that's the girl when she comes
Should
out.
try it.
Did you see it on the menu?
We'll see.
When the girl comes out, we'll ask her.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this plate a 10 out of 10. Look at that. We destroyed that. That was a whole chicken. Again, the chicken was just smoked perfectly, seasoned, juicy, tender. Really, really good. I don't know what else seasoned spices they put on it, but it's fantastic. Rice and beans. The salsas are great. If you like the hot sauces, there's 3 different kinds. I tried this one that looks like it has a guacamole touch in it, but everything was really, really good. Great place. I'll definitely be coming back here. And then we found out too, like we said, that they sell the meat by the pound. So, like I said, even if you don't want to come by and eat, or you want to make your own tacos at home, you can come by here and grab some carne and do your own thing at the house. Or if you're having a party or something like that, you can buy a few pounds. I'm gonna go check to see if they have some flan. If they do, I'm gonna try that, because I've been wanting to try one for a long time, a good one. I haven't tried flan since I was a kid, and at that time I didn't like it. But you know, as you get older, your palate changes. So I'm gonna go see if they have it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So guess what? They did have flan. Look at this. See if I can get the name on here. I haven't had this in years, and I seen somebody. Do you know what it is, babe? With all that, it smells like the caramel sauce.
It is.
It smells great. Like I said, I haven't had this in years, so I'm gonna try it. I seen somebody eating it on one of the channels recently, and I'm like, that looks so good. I'm gonna have to try it. What is flan? Do you guys know what flan is? I don't even know how it's made or what it is. Oh, this is good. It's almost like, has like a jello texture. Let me show yours real quick. My wife got tres leches cake. Look at that. You can see the layer of the leche. That's always good. That's got a nice, moist, kind of a wet flavor to it. It's really good. This is surprisingly good. If you guys know what flan is or made of, let me know. I'm not 100% sure. The texture is almost like a cheesecake. Like, you know, a kind of a frozen cheesecake. But it's not as sweet. The little caramel sauce gives it a nice touch of sweetness. Right there says the ingredients is egg, milk, vanilla, and caramel. But it's got like a bouncy jiggle to it. Not bad. It's better than what I remembered. But that's gonna do it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for tuning in, spending a few minutes of your day to watch my channel. But this place, I'd give this place a 10 out of 10 for sure. Let me show you the right there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget, like I said, to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks. Take care.